Hi, my name is Patrick, and in this month's tips and tricks video, I'm going to show you how to set up your appointment availability schedule to block off specific dates for your upcoming vacation as we approach the holiday season. This will be especially helpful if you plan on taking time off, but still want to offer services on certain days. So let's dive in. In this example, we're going to use Mary Summers as a practitioner, and she'll be taking off Xmas Eve, December 24th, Xmas Day, December 25th, New Year's Eve, as well as New Year's Day. From the calendar page, just click this drop down next to the date, select Not Working, and click Confirm. We're going to repeat the same process for Xmas Day. Click this drop down, select Not Working, and click Confirm. And we repeat the same steps for the rest of the dates that our practitioner will be out on vacation. I will continue this process off camera to save us time. Now that we've selected the specific dates that our practitioner will be on vacation, I'm going to show you what this looks like to your clients. From the ClinicSense booking page, click the Book Appointment button, select New Client, click Next, select the service, and we're going to use Mary Summers as the practitioner, click Next. And if we scroll to December, we can see we have Xmas Eve, Xmas Day, New Year's Eve, as well as New Year's Day are blocked off from your clients to book an appointment with you. And that's how you can block off specific dates for your upcoming holidays. I do hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to email us at support@clinicsense.com.